Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to discuss something disturbing, honestly. Now, a trend has been seen in Canada related to rental properties that many landlords, I won't say all, are asking many months of the rent to be paid upfront when they rent property, especially to newcomers, because most of the newcomers, those who come to Canada, they do not have any prior history of like living in Canada, work reference, credit score. So while laws in Ontario say that you can a landlord can ask only for like last month deposit and first month upfront, like 2 months you can say of rent goes for one for the first month and then one for the last month. There is no law that says that a tenant cannot pay upfront. So this is where such things are happening because of the loophole. So now while it is disturbing, so I would say one more thing like try to build your network, try to connect with the friends, people, those who are already living here, especially those who can provide you a reference, because that will definitely help you when you go for a rental property search if you come here as a newcomer. And again, I have always said try to bring as much money you can because things are way more expensive here than you might have thought. So that's what I wanted to say, guys. Let me know what you think about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.